Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Easy Anti-Cheat on your computer. You will usually want to go and install this application if you are getting some kind of error. As you can see in the screen as well, messages when you are trying to play your games, usually it will say something like Easy Anti-Cheat isn't installed, and in which case you may need to go and install this manually. So there's a couple of different solutions here. The first method is just by opening up your game client. So for example, if you are trying to run a Steam game, you want to open Steam. But if you are trying to run a game that's on Epic Games, for example, then just load up the Epic Games launcher. So here I open Steam. So as you can see on the top navigation here, library, you just need to right click on the game that you are having issue with. So for me, it's going to be VR Chat, but for you, it could be Apex Legends or basically any game. So right click on it. Then we are going to click on manage and select browse local files, and inside of your game files you should have this folder called easy anti-cheat. Now if you don't see this, then you just use a search box at the top here and you can try searching for it. And once you found this folder, we are going to double click on it, and then you should see the easy anti-cheat setup. So all we are going to do is right click on this file and select run as administrator. It's just going to open and close straight away, or it's going to pop up with a window where you can click on install and go in manually. So if nothing's pop up, like it doesn't for me, then what I'm going to do is open the C drive on your computer and you need double click on the folder program files x86. Then we are going to scroll down and double click on easy anti-cheat, and then double click on easy anti-cheat this file. Choose any of the game you want, like in my case I choose Fortnite, and then click on install easy anti-cheat. So as you can see, it pop up with installed successfully. If this worked, this is very great, and if not, then click on that repair service. You can see there, this is a selecting solution. I hope it will work. Thank you.